What's up, YouTube family? It's your girl, Cali Vibes 213, and today we're taking a look at the top skill position players and offensive linemen in college football 27. If you're trying to figure out who to build around in Dynasty Mode, Road to Glory, or Online Dynasty, this list is loaded with elite talent. Let's start with the quarterbacks. Leading the way is Oregon quarterback Dante Moore with a 95 overall rating. No surprise there. Oregon enters college football 27 as the #1 team in the game, and Dante Moore is a huge reason why. Ohio State's Julian Sayin comes in at #2 with a 94 overall, followed by Ole Miss quarterback Trinidad Chambliss at 93. And Trojan fans, don't worry, USC quarterback Jaden Mayava checks in at #4 overall with a 92 rating. That tells me the Trojans are going to be dangerous once again. Moving over to the running backs. Ole Miss has the highest rated halfback in the game with Keywan Lacey at a 96 overall. Missouri's Ahmad Hardy also comes in at a 96, creating one of the most stacked running back rooms we've seen. Miami, Louisville, BYU, Rutgers, Florida, West Virginia, Oklahoma State, and Georgia all place backs inside the top 10. Now let's talk receivers. And there's one name standing above everyone else. Ohio State superstar Jeremiah Smith enters college football 27 with a ridiculous 99 overall rating. 99. That's almost video game cheat code territory. Miami's Malachi Tony is next at 96 overall, while Texas wide receiver Cam Coleman rounds out the top 3. At tight end, LSU's Trey'Dez Green and Texas Tech's Terrence Carter Jr. share the top spot with 92 overall ratings. The offensive line rankings are just as impressive. Indiana offensive tackle Carter Smith is the highest rated offensive tackle in the game with a 97 overall rating. Missouri's Caden Green sits right behind him at 96. Texas, LSU, Georgia, SMU, Iowa, Tennessee, Texas Tech, and South Carolina all have elite tackles capable of anchoring a championship caliber offensive line. At guard, Cincinnati's Evan Tengesdal and Houston's Shader Hurst share the top spot with 93 overall ratings. Ohio State, Minnesota, Indiana, SMU, Notre Dame, Virginia, Tennessee, and Cincinnati all have elite guards that should dominate in both pass protection and the run game. Finally, let's look at the centers. Iowa's Cade Pieper is the highest rated center in college football, 27 with a 95 overall rating. Oregon's Iapani Lalulu comes in at #2 with a 93 overall, while Texas Tech's Sheridan Wilson rounds out the top 3. Looking at all these ratings, one thing is clear. Oregon, Ohio State, Indiana, Ole Miss, LSU, and Texas are absolutely loaded with talent heading into launch. But here's the real question. What team are you starting with when college football 27 drops? Are you jumping straight into Dynasty Mode? Road to Glory? Or are you like me and trying to decide between USC and a small school rebuild? Drop your answers in the comments below. If you're excited for college football 27, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join the Cali Vibes 213 family. Take care, stay blessed, and fight on.